So one of the things that you can do is if you don't like the site anymore, you can simply delete it. So here you can see that I am in the home page right here. And if you want to go ahead and delete out a site, let's say for example, I got a copy, I want to delete it, I can simply go ahead and click and delete this out right here. So now it says be careful because deleting this site is permanent. So it's an irreversible action, meaning you don't have a recycle bin to go to recover it. So only do this if you are absolutely sure. So in my case, I'm sure. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on yes, delete this site, and I'm going to go ahead and press OK, and the site will be deleted right here just like this. So let's say apart from that, I want to go ahead and not delete a site, but I just want to not make it live for some time or temporarily disable it. In that case, I can simply unpublish a site. So to do that, you can click on the gear icon and then click on unpublish right here and confirm unpublish right here. And then you can see that the site is simply disabled right here just like that. So that is basically how you can go ahead and delete an unpublished app site inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.